In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Photoshop all for free without breaking any rule. So we are going to follow the Lego way to actually get this working in your system. It works in both Macs and Windows computer. You don't need to install any software for this purpose. To get started, simply go over to your web browser and type photopil.com. Then press your enter. Now this loads this particular website for you. This particular website is a perfect alternative to Adobe Photoshop. You can see with this particular website, you have a whole lot to do from here. You can work with all these kinds of files like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, PDF files, and a whole lot that you can actually work with in this particular Photopil. Now, you see from this particular website, there are free templates that you can simply edit to suit your own needs. If you click on this template right now, you'll discover that we have a whole lot of templates from here. You can see if you scroll down, you see so many different templates that you can actually work with. If you click any of them, it will just simply load for you. You just need to do what? Edit it, and it will suit whatever you actually want to use it for. You can see this very one that I have here. You can also click here to import any file you've worked with from your computer to this particular website. Let's say you work with any Photoshop file, you can actually locate it and import it to this particular website. Now you can click here to get started with a new project. Now before we get started with a new project, if you look at this top area, you discover you can create an account. That tells you that this particular website makes room for collaborative working experience. Now you can click to create an account. You can access it from anywhere at all. Now, if you click here, you can import any new project and get started working with it. If you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can just simply click here and you click on create. Now, the moment you click on create, you can see the layer here. So from here, you can get started with your work. And if you look by this left side, you discover that all the tools we have in Photoshop, they are all represented there. You can see all these layers. You can see channels, paths, and the rest of them. You can see the menus here, that they are all complete with what we have in our Photoshop. So this is a perfect match for Photoshop and the perfect alternative. If you be paying heavily for Photoshop, henceforth, you need to consider this particular website. It will help solve you a whole lot. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel. It is one way of telling me thank you for this video.